The anti-France protests continue in parts of the country after Bhopal and Mumbai. Now protests have broken out in Gujarat's Vadodara. Posters calling out boycott France have been put in the city. Meanwhile, you've got Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who has slammed the protesters, saying strict action is going to be taken against those who disrupt peace in the state. Chief Minister also said that case has now been filed against the protesters. Bhopal protest that took place yesterday was led by Congress MLA Arif Masood, who urged the central government to snap all financial ties with France. Meanwhile, another protest had broken out in Mumbai yesterday. Protesters in Mumbai pasted pictures of Macron on the road. The BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra slammed the anti-France protest, saying that India stands with France against terrorism and questioned the protesters' motive. Remember, Macron had promised stringent action against radical Islam after beheading of the French teacher who had shown caricatures of the Prophet in his class earlier this month.
उसूल की बात यह है कि हमने कभी किसी के धर्म के बारे में बुरा नहीं कहा, तो हमारे मजहबी पेशवा के बारे में, हमारे नबी के बारे में गुस्ताखी करने का किसी को हक हासिल नहीं है। और अगर फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति ने कार्टून के ऊपर टिप्पणी करी है तो हमने उसका विरोध करा है और शांतिपूर्वक विरोध करा।
प्रेसिडेंट मैक्रोन ने जो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तौहीन की है वो मुसलमानों को बर्दाश्त नहीं है। आज पूरी दुनिया जो है, पूरी दुनिया के मुसलमान मैक्रोन के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज कर रहे हैं, उनके सामान का बायकाट कर रहे हैं। और हम जो हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमान भी, ख़ास तौर से मुंबई के मुसलमान, यहाँ ज़बरदस्त तरीके से उसके ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज कर रहे हैं।
आप किसी के विचारों की आज़ादी को छीन नहीं सकते। आज फ्रांस में या हिंदुस्तान में उस हत्या के समर्थन में जो लोग धरने, प्रदर्शन और प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम ये समझते हैं ये इस्लामिक विचारधारा के बिल्कुल विपरीत है।
Indian government have shown solidarity and support the France president and condemned the way the attack have taken place in France. On the other side, we are seeing a unique way of protest in Mumbai against France President Emmanuel Macron. Here on the road, you can see the pictures of the President Emmanuel Macron are pasted. And let me tell you, this is the Bhindi Bazaar Nagpada area, and not just at this particular place, but all over the roads below the flyover and other areas, such pictures are being pasted. Now, what the BJP are saying that this is a clear stand which is not good by the administration of Maharashtra. They should take a strict actions against these people who have pasted such pictures. As soon as the statement came from the BJP leaders, here just few time back, there were Mumbai police officials who came with the brushes and water. They tried to remove these posters, so these pictures from the road. There are several such pictures which are at the various roads in Mumbai, in Bhindi Bazaar and Nagpada area, where the Mumbai police officials are actually going and removing with the help of the brushes and water. Now, we would like to see how the state government actually react in this whole issue and whether the police take any action. With camera person Vaibhav, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.